Now we will dance the dip. Gentlemen, keep almost all of your weight on the left leg, bend your left knee a lot, and notice that it's directed diagonally to the left. Tilt your upper body to the left side, looking at the lady. Right hand goes down, to the right and up, drawing a big circle in the air. Avoid leaning forward and over the partner, just tilt to the side and rotate your body so that the right shoulder is up. Then straighten your leg, pull the lady back to the vertical position, and with a broad motion, place the right hand on her back. To end this sequence, shift your weight to the right leg, connect your feet, shift your weight to the left leg, and at the same time lead your hands slightly down, to the sides, and into the frame position, which we will explain more detailedly in a while. Now let's focus on the lady's perspective. End up with your right side to the partner, slightly offset to his left and very close to him. Place your right hand on his shoulders, and now getting into the dip. Bend both knees, keeping most of your weight on the right leg, drive your hips up and tilt your upper body and head backward. With a broad circular motion, lead your left hand down, to the side, then up while straightening your legs. Get close to the partner, place the hand on his neck. Take a side step to the left, connect your feet, end up with your weight on the right leg, and lead your hands to the sides into the frame position, which we'll explain in a moment. We'll show this part from the front as well, to make sure that you can see everything clearly. During the dip, focus on staying in your own balance as much as you can and avoid pulling the man with you. If you want the pose to be deeper, bend your knees more and notice that the more you tilt back, the more you have to drive your hips forward and up for counterweight. At the end, take a side step to the left, create the frame. Okay, that's all you need to know. Let's go back to our proper direction and we will count this part. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3.